What?
Hello, you sell good dog?
What?
Do you sell pincher?
Who's this?
My name is Sabib, and I want pincher.
Oh yeah?
Yes?
How much?
I don't know. How much do they go for?
Who's this?
I said it once and I'll sell it again. My name is Sabib Gondi,
Uh-huh.
and I want pincher now.
Who's this?
I want one with shaved ass. Nubby ass. How much for it?
It says 500.
500? That's it?
Yeah, who's this?
Who's this?
Yeah.
God damn you. I am Sabib Gondi, and I want pincher. You make fun of me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, I kill you. I want pincher and I want it now.
Oh yeah.
Nobby us. It works.
Who's this?
What color is it?
Pink.
Pink? Pink dog? I can't sacrifice pink dog.
Yes, my friend.
Shut the fuck up!
You do not have to treat me like this.
No, I don't treat you like this.
You curse me. And
I ain't curse crap.
I'm throwing up.
You ain't throwing up. You liar.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh man, I bomb your house. Fertilizer bomb, god damn it.
I beat you.
You beat me?
Beat me. So
I'll
hard.
shoot you in the nuts.
He beat me so hard.
What are you talking about?
You do not have to treat me like
I want pincher with shaved ass. You don't want to sell me dog?
you unbutton my pants.
Dog?
Yes.
You dog? I want to pork the dog up the ass.
The Egyptian magician.
No, I am not the Egyptian magician. I want a dog, damn it. I want to bork him and shave his ass. Shave his ass clean.
Hairy ass neck.
I do not have a hairy ass neck. What are you talking about? I will bomb you.
I bombed that place.
How old
Not
is
good
the
business, my
Shih
friend.
Tzu? What?
This is not good business, my friend.
I know this is not good business. What you talking about?
Who's this?
How old are you?
Huh?
Old. Age.
Tell me what time. Who's
I am not speaking to you. I must go now
Who's this?
and shave my hairy ass neck.
Who's this?
Listen, I will come over there and boot you in the ass.
Who's this?
Pico.
Pico? Come back to Florida, Pico.
No, I will not come to Florida. Pico, right now. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
I like a dog.
Yeah. Who's this?
Pico.
Pico, huh?
Why you talk to him? I want dog.
This is Pico. Yeah, you want a hairpiece?
I don't want a hairpiece, damn it. Shut up!
Shut the fuck up.
Shut up! Get back! Okay, I got to go. Shut the fuck up.
Who's this?
Who this? I tell you once, I tell you twice, I tell you 3 times. I got to go shave my hairy ass neck.
Yeah, you do that, jerky.
Okay. Bye-bye, jerk.